Did you know Amazon paid out $370 million to KDP publishers in 2023? That's right, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, is booming, with over 6 million active users browsing the Kindle store every day. The demand for digital content is skyrocketing, and now is the perfect time to get in. With the market expected to hit $1.5 billion by 2025, thousands of people are cashing in on this $100 billion industry. The question is, will you be next? Take Peter Holmquist, for example. He published over 1,534 books on Amazon Kindle and generated $4,119,550 in earnings, harnessing the power of AI. And he's not alone. Thomas, Sean Dalwet, Delphine Tamukong, and many others are earning tens of thousands of dollars monthly with KDP. But here's the problem. Most people think publishing a bestseller requires endless writing, editing, and marketing. If you thought publishing was difficult, then what I'm about to show you will change everything you thought you knew. What if you could have your own dedicated Amazon Publishing AI assistant that helps you create, publish, and rank best-selling Kindle books faster than you ever imagined? Yes, that's right. Amazon KDP isn't just another ebook creator. It's a complete publishing powerhouse that makes building an Amazon publishing empire easier than ever. Introducing Amazon KDP, the world's first Amazon publishing AI assistant. Amazon KDP does everything you need to create best-selling books on Amazon in just 60 seconds. With Amazon KDP, you can instantly research profitable keywords that help you dominate Amazon's charts, uncover hidden niche categories with low competition for your books, spy on your competitor, and show you how to outperform them. Create high-quality Kindle books without writing a single word. Publish to 310 million Amazon users and other platforms like Google Books, Apple Books, and more. Rank your books with built-in SEO and keyword research tools. Reach a global audience by publishing in over 100+ languages. Automate the entire publishing process with just a few clicks. And Amazon KDP does all of this faster and smarter than any other tool out there. Why Amazon KDP is 16 times smarter than other publishing tools. Here's why Amazon KDP stands out from the rest. We've combined the power of AI from tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon into one platform. Amazon KDP isn't just a tool for writing ebooks. It's a complete Amazon publishing assistant that does everything from keyword research to automated book creation and multi-platform publishing. No more endless writing, editing, or formatting. Amazon KDP takes care of all the tedious tasks for you, so you can focus on building your income stream. But that's not all. Unlike other tools that leave you guessing, Amazon KDP gives you real-time insights on how to rank your book, optimize your content, and outperform your competition. Whether you're writing fiction, non-fiction, children's books, or self-help guides, Amazon KDP has you covered. Here's how you can start making money with Amazon KDP. Today, you could easily go on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer and charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars to create Kindle books for others. Or you could use Amazon KDP to publish your own books and earn passive income every single day without lifting a finger. From researching keywords to publishing across multiple platforms, Amazon KDP does all the heavy lifting. Your books will be in front of 310 million Amazon users without spending a penny on ads, SEO, or paid traffic. And guess what? All this takes less than 60 seconds. It's time to automate your entire publishing business. With Amazon KDP, you're not just getting an ebook creator, you're getting a complete AI-powered system that helps you dominate Amazon Kindle publishing from every angle. AI-driven keyword research to find profitable niches, automated formatting and publishing across Amazon KDP, Google Play Books, and more. Discover hidden categories that give you a competitive edge over other authors. Real-time competitor analysis to see exactly what's working and how you can outperform others. Create best-selling content in multiple languages to reach a global audience. In just 3 simple steps, you can turn your ideas into best-selling Kindle books without writing, editing, or marketing. Step 1. Click the yellow button below to grab Amazon KDP at a one-time price. Monthly pricing kicks in soon. soon, so act fast. Step 2. Log into Ozone KDP and type in your request, whether it's to create a book, research keywords, or optimize your content for higher rankings. Step 3. Click Enter and watch Ozone KDP handle everything for you in 60 seconds flat. What makes Ozone KDP the ultimate game changer? You don't need to be a tech expert or a professional writer to use Ozone KDP. If you can click a button, you can publish a best-selling book. Ozone KDP is backed by cutting-edge AI technology from Microsoft, Google, and Amazon, making it 16 times more powerful than any other ebook creator on the market. While other tools are outdated and limited, Ozone KDP gives you access to real-time data, so your books are always ranked with the most relevant, up-to-date information. And here's the kicker: there are no hidden fees or monthly subscriptions. Pay once and enjoy full access to everything Ozone KDP has to offer. The clock is ticking. Don't miss out. Right now, you can get Ozone KDP at a low one-time price, but that won't last long. Soon, we'll be switching to a monthly subscription to support our server costs. Why wait? Start publishing your bestseller today without the hassle of writing, editing, or marketing. Ozone KDP does it all for you, so you can focus on what matters: building your publishing empire. Click the button below to get Ozone KDP now while it's still available at a one-time price. Your success is guaranteed. 30 days risk-free. We're so confident that Ozone KDP will transform your publishing journey that we're offering a 30-day risk-free guarantee. If you don't absolutely love Ozone KDP, just let us know and we'll refund 100% of your money. No questions asked. With Ozone KDP, there's absolutely no way you can lose. But hurry, this offer won't last forever. Get Ozone KDP now and start publishing bestsellers in 60 seconds or less.